So we're on the way to the Sticky Falls. Sticky Waterfalls.
Are you sure that this is...
Speed Devils on the way to the Waterfalls Waterfalls. Sticky Waterfalls. Go, 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 go. Growing the rice. Some old rice fields and some new rice fields. Rice all over. Yeah. And we have Casper from Team Easy on. Casper's going hard. Simon and Eva and the famous Armin. The scenic route in Thailand. Yes. Waterfall. Please waterfall for me. Some natural agriculture. I'm not sure what it means, but it seemed that they were like making organic soil or something. So maybe it's really cool. It's a place where we should visit afterwards, maybe. After the waterfall. So Genius over there, he just found out that this forest is a rainforest because it's only raining here. So that's how you define a rainforest. If it's raining and you're in the forest,
it's just a forest with rain. You know?
The rain is only falling in the forest, and on the other side of the forest is not.
When you go out, there's no rain.
Okay, cool.
Only in the rainforest.
Only in the rainforest in Thailand. So there are like quite many different kinds of bugs or ants here, so that's pretty cool. So this should be an overview of the Sticky Waterfalls, but everything is in Thai, so it's not easy to understand. But there should be a cave somewhere, but there's different paths. You can see like a red string and like a blue string. It could be cool to just like hike somewhere while you're here. You can actually camp here at the Sticky Waterfalls. There's a campground, so that's cool. We're going to find the forest officer who can help us. Well, we have parked the bikes over there.